Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
To reset a phone that won't turn on, first try a soft reset by holding down the power button for about 10 to 20 seconds. If that doesn't work, attempt a force restart. For most Android phones, press and hold the power button and volume down key for about 10 seconds. For iPhones 8 or later, quickly press and release the volume up button, then volume down, then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. If these steps don't work, the issue might require professional help or contacting the manufacturer.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.